video, but this is not how everything started. So let's go ahead and get to the intro. Although that looked super cool and it was fun, I think it'll look even better on a POV. Oh my gosh, that was so bad. Anyways, I haven't done a POV video for you guys in like, I think it's been a couple weeks, so let's go ahead and do that. I mean, who doesn't love a 370Z with a lot of exhaust and POV? First quick updates, I guess we're gonna start off with the 300ZX. It's doing good so far. I've been working on it for the past couple days. A few things I still need to get situated. I gotta get the power steering, not the pump, the line that I talked about last video. I gotta get that fixed before I can even drive it anywhere. That's why I have not been making any videos with it, which is really frustrating, but I gotta go ahead. I gotta drive like an hour away, pick it up and install it, which to install is gonna be a really big pain, so I gotta get to that. But I've just been fixing the little things wrong with the car, and then I gotta fix that, and the car should be drivable on the street like a regular. One thing that does bother me though is, as you guys know, I'm currently in school, so it's really hard for me to work on the 300. I haven't worked on it nearly as much as I wanted to, just because I have school and I literally have only 2 days out of the week to be able to work on the car. So actually, Tono! Oh, thank God I have Birdie. Imagine I only had the 300. That would have been good. But I only have 2 days out of the week to be able to work on the car, which is really annoying, and I don't get enough done as much as I want to, at least. Good thing though is that class end in like 2.5, 3 weeks, and when they do end, I'm gonna have like the whole day for like a very long time to be able to work on the car and do things to it and actually advance the build as much as I want to. We'll see, guys. And build wise, I plan on fixing everything first, like I said, then we can actually start looking into the interior, then move out to the exterior. Once she looks pretty and decent and there's no, that's a nice SUV, and there's no big imperfections, quote unquote, we can go on to bigger intercoolers soon, blah blah blah, and have fun with it. But yeah, this is a quick update on the 300. Haven't worked on it as much as I wanted to, but I'm pretty sure you guys can understand why. And updates on Brainy, as of right now, I don't really have any plans for it, to be honest. You guys do already know that I want the Tommy exhaust, and I'll probably get like a white pipe. So there's that, but when that's gonna happen, I'm not sure. Right now my focus kind of quote unquote on the 300. Obviously Brittany as well, but I just want to get the 300 up and running, and when that's fine, then we can just start working on both cars and doing fun things. Now a lot of you might be wondering, Danny, now that you have the twin turbo 300, is the twin turbo dream for Brittany still alive, or is it dead, or are you done with that? I never said I was done with that dream, and I'm gonna leave it at that. Honestly, I'm super excited to finally be able to start doing POV footage with the 300. Like I cannot wait to be able to do things like that. But for now, we just gotta fix it up. And the things aren't that crazy they're mods, but they're not crazy. That's why I don't know if I wanna make a video on them. I don't really think you guys wanna see me install and take off boring things, I guess. Oh my gosh, this car, man. You get kind of scared sometimes taking corners like that though. Oh, this car is just so fun. But yeah, let me know. I mean, I might be wrong. You guys might actually want to see me install and uninstall boring things on the 300. Let me know. Oh, what is that on the road? Oh my gosh. You got scared. Oh my god. Oh, there we go. Got it. Gotta go around it. Some of you might hate it, some of you might like it, but in the end of the day, it's Brittany, and it never gets old. This car is so fun, man. Oh my gosh, those pops. So I'm taking like the weirdest road that I've never taken before right now. Look how nice these curves are. Like you can just do anything back here. Nobody will care. This is so nice. Oh my gosh, what's even back here? No dumping, violators will be prosecuted. Oh, so it's like a... Who is that over there? Yo, I think that's Humberto. What? Is he doing donuts? What is going on? Is this guy doing donuts? Yeah. Bro, what are you doing?
Bro, just having fun, bro.
That is so unexpected. Was it unexpected? Was it planned? I don't know. Exactly. Dude, there's like somebody over there.
He just said that he heard me doing that.
Wait, so what exactly are you doing here, dude?
Bro, I want to do like a burnout video for Instagram, bro.
Do you need help filming?
I need your help.
You need my help?
Skills.
I mean, we're here, so what do you think we should do?
Let's do it. That guy said he heard me like.
You wanna do it?
From 2 months away. Let's do it.
Should we cut to the burnout?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's jump to it. First though, we gotta go ahead and move Brittany because he's back there, and yeah. We know what Mustang owners like to do. By the way, is this good? Are you gonna hit her here or no? Do you think you're gonna hit her parked here or no?
Yeah, just pull up a little bit.
Alright, now let's go to the burnout. 3, 2, 1. You want to do it again?
Yeah, I'm gonna stay on.
Yeah, that was kind of weak, dude. Come on, bro. Come on.
Well, I was
just kidding. You're good. You're good. Oh, the tires. Let's check the tires. Check the tires. They're not fully wasted, so.
So I still have for one more.
All right, you can go whenever you want. Look at his tires, by the way. Woo. But he's mad because he gave me his phone to record, so I can record from the back, and his phone overheated and it didn't record. So it's not my fault.
Let's do it again.
All right, we're gonna do it again. This video is about me doing POV. Oh, I think. Is that a cop? Yo, dude.
Yo, it's good.
This video was about me just recording in my car, and now I'm over here helping him film donuts and burnouts. So I think I'm pretty much gonna go ahead and end the vlog, guys. I think I just found a new spot. This obviously was all planned and to like, you know, make something fun for you guys. But seriously, I did not know this spot. It's like the old spot we used to go to, but yeah, we're definitely gonna come back here more often. There's like, all right, maybe not. There's like random noises. But I think we're gonna go ahead and end off the video. Ending the video, do you want to say anything or no?
Nah, you know, subscribe to my channel.
All right, so I'll talk to you guys later. Shout out to Humberto. Just kidding, follow him on Instagram though. Yeah. Yeah, peace out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Next video is gonna be about the 300ZX, me working on it and all that, but yeah. I think the intro started here, so we're gonna go ahead and end it here. Oh my gosh. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, share with your friends, share with everybody. And yeah, click a like, subscribe, everything. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bro, what are you doing? I'm sad. We didn't record it. Bro, Danny didn't record the good one. With our friend, he went once.
Where does this lead to?
And you can drift like over there.
So is this what Mustang owners do for fun? You just come to random places and just do burnouts and stuff?